Hello everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Microsoft Power BI PL 300 exam series. This is your host, Aapka Consultant, bringing you episode 515, where we'll be looking at question number 15 on the ongoing practice set that we have been following. So, as the part of this series. So, today's topic is dataset size in Power BI. I would request everyone to go through the playlist where I have covered 14 questions so that you can prepare for this exam, and these questions are up to date and as per the latest pattern, so make sure you watch all of those videos. So yes, that being said, let's jump to the question number 15. So yeah, it is, what is the maximum size limit for a Power BI dataset using the import storage mode for a pro account? So these are the four options: 1 GB, 10 GB, 100 MB, and 250 MB. So I'm gonna pause here for 10 seconds. You can think what is the answer to this question. Your time starts now. So your time's up. Let's see what is the solution. So it's 1 GB. So basically for Pro account, Power BI allows only 1 GB of dataset to be uploaded via import mode. So let's look at the explanation. So yeah, this slide covers about the overall explanation of the dataset size limit in import mode. You can go through this, you can pause this video so that it will improve your understanding on this topic. That is one. Like in the coming slide, obviously continuation to previous mode. What is the data model complexity, DAX calculations, DAX comparison, and why 1 GB limit is restricted for dataset size. The next slide, it talks about alternative storage mode. For example, if you are a Power BI premium user, the dataset size limit is up to 10 GB, and for data direct query also, there is no size limit. So you can directly make a connection for the size of any dataset. And composite model is obviously is a combination of import and direct query. So you can pick and choose which mode you are selecting. Depending on that, the data size differs and the refresh requirement. And the last slide is obviously why the other options are incorrect. You can go through this. So this covers the explanation for this solution. Coming to the resources, as again, I have been leveraging this course from Udemy, titled Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst. And next is the article on this topic. Let me go through it. Yeah, this is an article I found on Medium where it talks about Power BI dataset size limits, insight, and strategies for every storage modes, right? As I was saying, there is a limitation on import mode. The maximum size is 1 GB. It also talks about Power BI desktop, the recommended RAM, at least 16 GB, 32 GB, basic requirements that your computer should have in order to run this software. And also in Power BI service, it is limited up to 1 GB of uh, file you can publish, again if you are a pro user, right? So this article in details covers about all of that, and obviously for import mode. But yes, that covers this topic, and I hope it has improved your understanding on import mode, dataset size limit. But yeah, I will see you on the next day. Thank you for watching.